Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This video might not help too many people, or you might learn something. Somebody sent me this file, and you know what I'm going to use? Looks like a fire truck. I'm going to fill it in with red. And if we go here, he's got some, what he calls uh, broken lines or non-connected line. He wants to be able to see them after he fills it in. Well, the age-old problem that hairlines fill in all the way. So this truck is 40 inches. Let's make our nudge factor 42. I think it's already broken apart, so I'm going to grab the outside and nudge it over. Now I have to move everything that is not broken, like these windows. So I'm just going to click on them and nudge them, click on them and nudge them, click on them and nudge them. So all these I can actually select with the shape tool or the pick tool like that. So I'm going to get all the parts. And you know what? Now that I think about that, it might be because this is a curve. Well, they're both curves, so that won't really work. So I need to get rid of all the parts that are where the smart field does not go into. I'm going to leave that part to last, or the wheel. So what I'm doing, I'm leaving the lines. Now this window might be a little tricky, but there's a close sale, close sale, close sale. And okay, I've got everything but the wheels. And there are some broken lines around the wheels. So if you don't grab the entire line, it'll just grab I'm not grabbing any entire line. So, instead of hitting them individually. Now this one's a little bit off. But that's not the problem. See, I think I'm going to grab that, and then I can grab these two, because I'm not grabbing the whole line. If you don't grab the whole line, it won't go away. I think we got them. Now, look at it real quick. Select this, and you can see it's a hairline. I'm going to go over a little bit thick, and I'm going to go 8 points. Now, that still won't solve the problem. You know what? It's a little bit thick, because those are, let's go, you'll still be able to see them. Let's select it all and go, you know what? There's a good lesson. If the number's not there, you can type it in. Now, we've got them all selected. It's still going to do the same thing unless you go to Object and convert the outlines to an object. As soon as you do that, they're an object. I'm going to group all this stuff together in case I made a mistake and have to move it out of the way. So Control G, and I'm going to nudge it back. Now let's take and fill in and see that the lines look like they're really thick, and they might be too thick, but we're going to take the red and look at that. And you could color them a different, I don't understand what this is. Might be an antenna or just a missed part of the drawing. So there you have the truck drawn in, but I'm hoping that's what he was asking. So I might be a little bit too thick. Let's back up here and just do it and take these lines just so we can see it. And let's make them a hairline. Well, see, I'm already too far because I made them an object. So we're going to go, let's just go 3 points this time. Go up and make it. Well, before I do that, I'm going to prove what I'm saying. Okay, I didn't group this together back. Control G. Just because I made the line thicker doesn't mean it's going to work, because it's still acting like it's a hairline. So let's move that big part of the truck away. Let's select all this. So this is 3 points. Let's go up to Object and convert the outline to an object. And as soon as we do that, the lines will not bleed into the lines. And you can see the line. That's pretty cool. I like it. He sent it to me in a DXF file. So I don't know if it's the plasma cutter, because it is quite big. But you don't have to go with black. Let's delete that. Move this out. Let's just try it. Let's make our lines white. And now because they're an object, we're going to left click white. Now you can't really see them. Put the truck back. And then right in here, we know we have I must have hit one of the lines. What are the odds? There we go. That's pretty cool. You can still see the broken lines. Or basically they're not, well, they are broken, but they're lines, just individual lines that aren't contained to stop the smart field from coming in. I hope that is what he was asking, and thank you for watching.